every day. Technology moves faster than ever. We started with simple machines that help us work. Then we built computers, then smartphones, and now we are building robots. But there's one big question. When robots start thinking, talking, and working like humans, well, humans still matters. This sounds like a movie story, but it's real. Robots are already in our factories, hospitals, and homes. They build cars, serve food, and even speak to people. They are getting smarter every single day. Companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Honda are creating robots that can walk, run, and lift heavy things. Some even smile and talk like humans. At first, these robots were made to help, but now they are slowly taking our jobs. From workers and factories to even artists and writers. And that's where people start to worry. If robots can do everything, then what will humans do? It's true. Machines are faster, stronger, and never get tired. But they don't have a heart. They don't have feelings. And they don't have a soul. Only Allah gives that spark inside us. The ability to think, feel, and choose between right and wrong. Robots may act like us, but they can never be us. A robot can move, but it can't feel mercy. It can talk, but it doesn't understand love. It can learn data, but it doesn't have wisdom. That's what makes humans special. Almighty Allah gave humans the power of knowledge. He said in the Quran that He taught Adam the names of all things, meaning He gave human the ability to learn, to imagine, and to create. That's why we build technology. That's why we create AI and robots. So robots are not our enemies, they are our creations, a reflection of intelligence Allah has blessed us with. But there is the test. Will we use this knowledge for good, or will we forget our limits and think we are gods ourselves? Because when humans start believing they are in control of everything, that's when pride begins. And pride has always been the fall of a man. Elon Musk once said, AI may be smarter than humans one day. But as Muslims we know, no creation can ever be greater than the Creator. Knowledge and power belong to Allah alone. Our duty is to use technology with wisdom and balance. Robots can help humanity, make our lives easier, and do the hard work so we can focus on what truly matters: faith, family, creativity, and kindness. So will humans still matters? Yes, as long as we remember why we are here, as long as we remember that our value doesn't come from what we can build. It comes from the soul Allah gave us. If we use this gift of knowledge for good, robot will serve us, not replace us. But if we forget our purpose, we may lose the most human things of all, our heart. Robots are coming. AI is growing. But humans, we still matter. Because we were created with purpose. And as long as we talk with faith and wisdom, no machine will ever take our place. So this was today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.